Alright, here goes first card layout. I don't know why this is still connected. Sorry about this will have to temporarily disconnect. Alright, anything else? Small cable that might interfere with the way this flips over. Alright. All the connection cables disconnected. Now I can pick this up. Oh, I know it's still holding this up. So I need a pair of wire covers. This might result in the area where the camera is collapse, but so it still have to be done in order to safely disconnect the entire board. Put that back up there. Okay, I actually need pliers for this, but it's all to be done in order to actually safely remove the rest of the layout.
You did it yourself.
I know.
You said you were gonna do it. Just leave it. Leave it for now. Leave it for now.
Hang on.
Leave it for now.
Alright, we got a bunch of power wires here.
We'll stop at Target tomorrow and I'll get you bins.
That's what I call progress.
We'll get you bins.
Sissy, you know I'm recording right now.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Where are you recording from?
See where the light is? That's where I'm recording from. Alright, we got an Ethernet cable still caught up there.